Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a discount code on your shop on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. And of course, if you are logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here with this home page or with this main screen with the welcome back sentence with your name or your username. Of course, if you are now logged in into your account, you'll find at the top right corner, instead of those icons, a sign in option. If you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account from there. If you have an account, or if you don't have an account, you'll be able to create one. Of course, you'll be able to do both options with your Facebook account, Google account, or even your Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account or logging into your account. And this will be even much faster. So once you choose one of those options, you will find yourself here with this home or with this main screen, and of course with the welcome back sentence. And as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to add a discount code on our shop. Simply, I'm just going to go click at the shop icon, which is the shop manager at the top right corner. That will take me into this page. And of course, from here, I'm just going to click at marketing here on the left options, then click at sales and discounts. That will take me into this page. And as you can see here, I have an option, create promo code. If I click on it, they are telling me to choose like the promo code, of course, custom promo code here. You can choose the discount amount or the percentage of it. Of course, you can the order minimum. If you don't understand something, you can just put the mouse on this question mark icon and it will give you the information about it. Of course, you can even choose the duration if you want, or you can just choose no end date. And once you finish, just hit the continue button and then it will be applied on just your shop, of course, not on all the shops on Etsy website. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.